nag-akalang makukuha na ng Cleveland Cavaliers ang una nilang panalo sa Game 3 ng NBA Finals kontra Golden State Warriors. Pero ang Dubs, nananatiling undefeated. Maki-time out muna tayo kay Kino.
Alam ni LeBron James na kailangan ibigay nila ang lahat sa Game 3 sa harap ng kanilang mga kababayan sa Cleveland, Ohio. Kahit paragtala ng record ng Warriors na pinakamaraming 3-point shots made in a quarter na siyam, na-control ng Cavaliers ang laro sa first quarter at hanggang sa 46.5 minuto ng laban ay narendahan nila ang Golden State. Pinangunahan muli ni LeBron ang atake ng Cavaliers, 39 points, 11 rebounds, 3 assists. Nakakuha si LeBron ng matinding suporta mula kay Kyrie Irving na naka-38 points. Pero sa huling tatlong pinakamahalagang posesyon ng Game 3, walang naitala ang dalawang Cleveland Superstars. Sa halip, ang superstar na naghahabol ng kanyang kauna-unahang NBA Championship na si Kevin Durant ang namayani. Umiskor ng 5 sunod-sunod na puntos. Ang 3-point shot ni Durant ang naging tuldok sa 11-0 run na pinakawala ng Warriors tungo sa come-from-behind victory 118-113.
It was 45 seconds to go. We were down to... You know, if I missed, we could have got another stop. But glad I was able to knock that down.
Wala nang nasambit pa si LeBron James kundi papuri sa Golden State.
But I don't think no team has had this type of firepower. You know, so you know, even when you playing well, you got to play like, you know, A++. You know, because they're going to make runs and they're going to make shots. And
we had a ton of energy and belief in each other. On both ends of the floor down the stretch, so that was a great feeling to kind of overcome their run, the crowd's energy, and just find a way to win.
Sa Sabado ay maaari ng isara ng Warriors ang serye sa pamamagitan ng isang sweep, hindi lamang ng Cleveland kundi ang buong playoffs na hindi pa nagagawa ng kahit na anong team sa kasaysayan ng NBA. Chino Trinidad Acuduto, 24 Oras.